Oh, you're okay.
Yeah. Well, you know all those spots.
Well, I remember when that road was a dirt road. You got up to 98th Avenue before you even got there.
Yeah, right.
I like how the doors.
Yeah, next weekend we went to that show in Langley Car Club. We had in Alder Grove. BZ, yeah. I really like 69 and 70. I still got stuff out.
What's the character's name?
It was really green.
You've been sitting on that since this morning.
But yeah.
It's okay.
Grandfather's one.
That's right. Still
Free? Oh. I'll take one. Thanks. How's business? Lots of compliments? Can I take a business card? Can I take a business card? Hi. Can I take a business card?
Of course.
Thank you.
Can I borrow?
Thank you, Brent. Your name?
Are you running the show here?
No, I'm not.
Okay, it's probably calling, isn't it?
Farron.
Yeah.
Excellent.
What is it you want?
Down.
Oh, so, okay, let me just check.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Good show.
Yeah.
Very dapperly dressed. Fantastic.
Are you related to Matt or Jim?
Matt.
Is he your dad or your uncle?
Dad.
Oh, he's your dad.
Cool.
Excellent. He sounds like a great guy and he sounds like a great dad.
Hey, Cass, sorry to bug you. How much for the coffee?
Pardon?
How much for the coffee?
They're $20 a bag.
20 bucks a bag? You got it.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. This is such a neat place. Like, I've seen it on YouTube when you guys were making content, and it's like, this is just, it's a living museum, a working museum. Very
A
cool.
lot of years of piecing it together and working on it.
Well, that's usually how it goes. Good things take time, right? And look at, you've got tons of support too, and I think it's just super cool.
Great day.
All right, well, I'll let you get back to it. I'll grab my coffee and run. Absolutely. All right.
It was a car that we turned into it. It would have been, well, like that. It would have been a car. It wasn't like a truck. Like they welded it up.
Oh yeah. Derek, the old buddy. Oh God.
Yeah, I didn't look at it.
Yeah, I know it's Ellis.
Yeah, I had a 331 caddy.
When I bought this car, it was stripped of all its features.
Yeah, this is going to be good. side of the road. Black.
Oh, gee, I've only been looking at this one.
Did you work on your day off? Yeah.
Wow, he never gets a day. We don't get a day off.
He's a farmer. He never gets a day off.
Number one.
Oh, exactly. Yeah.
Hey, sir, how you doing? Dave, this is Dad.
He was good friends with my dad.
Yeah.
So you're only spending.
Yeah, you've been there for a long time.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, you're busy now.
Yeah, carry as far as we'll see you.
You betcha. Take care.
We're gonna go look at 64 Pontiac.
Oh, right on.
Laurentian, 4-door sedan, 6-cylinder, 303, 32,000 original miles.
Probably in between the two cables. Eh?
Yeah. Oh, good. Hanging by the feet.
Yeah, right. I didn't get to Vancouver yet. Well, that's okay. I didn't see Karen down there, so I'm not sure what she's saying. I wonder if that's worth checking out.
Oh, it really is.
Yeah.
Well, he's got the tiger in the back window, and he says that that's his tail.
Do you drop 5? Just found it on the ground. Might be yours.
That was me.
Well, pass it on, I guess.
Well, thank you.
Sure.
Have it.
Okay.
Go ahead, yeah.
I
don't
guess.
think it was me.
Well, I'll just spend it on some food, I guess. God damn it.
That was before. That was before the.
Oh, I think there's a lot of people back if you really wanted to.
You know, there was one class, it was here, an 11th gentleman said, why don't you just hear something?
Huh. That's neat. Oh, go ahead. Don't worry about it. It's all environmental. This is just really neat. Never seen that before.
Oh, the logo?
Yeah.
No, I've never seen that either.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Global. I love it. International, right? No, Fargo.
Oh, Fargo.
Yeah. It would fit better with an international if I had to say because it's the Globe, but.
Yeah, he was 74, 75 that I had. And there was some that come after I left.
Got out in our market section. That's what
You one? I know, this is a restoration. You know what? I bet that's they do.
Well, I'm getting copyright struck into oblivion.
How are you?
Oh, really? That many?
Canada uses more than drives it though. That's the thing.
Yeah, and you can get lots of good parts for it. You still find lots of the engines around.
Come here, little fella. What are you doing? So checking everything out. Can we go back there? I don't know. Hey, buddy. I'm at the park. No, I haven't. Going to the hotel?
Bear, you got one of these next year?
good last night. Yeah. One into 10, one into 20.
That's the safest way to travel. Yeah.
Ribs coming. Oh, look at that Apache. Oh.
Oh, geez. That's the most impressive piece of set dressing I've seen today. That's wild.
I don't think I'd care to ride on that.
No, I'd ride it once and I'd die immediately or break something. Well, I guess I gotta get one now, just to see.
When I walked on it, this thing would pull to the left too.
Yeah, you can't beat a shaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's not rest of Monterey. So.
That's a really good clear job. I like that.
Man, that's beautiful.
Shy mate. Hmm.